In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a PayPal credit card. This process is simple and can be completed in just a few minutes, making it convenient for anyone looking to expand their payment options. So, let's dive in and guide you through the application process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the PayPal credit website. You can easily find this by doing a quick search or by navigating to PayPal's homepage and locating the credit card section. It's important to ensure you're on the official website to keep your personal information secure. Once you're there, you should see an option to apply for credit. Clicking on this will take you to the application. Next, follow the prompts to fill out the application form. This typically includes entering some personal details, such as your name, address, and income information. It's essential to provide accurate information to avoid any issues with the application process. Feel free to take a moment to review everything before you submit it. If your application is successful, you will receive a physical PayPal credit card, which you can use wherever MasterCard is accepted. Having this card allows you the flexibility to use your PayPal credit both online and in physical stores, bringing convenience right to your wallet. However, if you prefer to shop online, you may also be provided with a digital credit line. This digital option integrates seamlessly with your PayPal account, enabling you to make quick and easy purchases without needing to provide your card details every time. Now, let's talk briefly about the PayPal debit card, as it's another service you may find beneficial. To apply for a PayPal debit card, you will need to have a PayPal balance account. This is essentially an active PayPal account where you can manage your funds and make transactions. Make sure your account is in good standing and actively used to meet the eligibility requirements. Applying for the PayPal debit card can also be done online. Just head over to the PayPal debit card page on the site. Here, you can follow similar prompts as with the credit card application. It's quick and straightforward, and once approved, the debit card will be sent to you. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to applying for both the PayPal credit and debit cards. These options are excellent for anyone looking to maximize their PayPal experience by offering easy access to your funds and credit for purchases. Remember to always keep track of your spending and to check in on your PayPal account regularly to manage your finances efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your application.